Hey everyone, Joseph from Airstack here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily fetch Farcaster likes data using the Airstack API within just a few minutes. So first, click on this FarcasterReactions data API right here. So this API is going to be the one that provide like the likes data from Farcaster. So in this case, depending on the various use cases that you have, you might need to choose different input filters right here. But in this case, let's just try to demo a really simple use case here. For example, I want to fetch like all the casts that is liked by a particular user. So in this case, I just need to specify the criteria here to be liked as shown here. And then the reacted by, I need to input the user FID or FName. For simplicity's sake, I'm just going to provide the FID right here. So in this case, I need to have the prefix fc underscore FID followed by the FID itself. Once I have the input done, then I can specify the output here. There's various output that you can choose as seen right here. So in this case, I choose like cast it at timestamp to know when was the uh, cast was casted, and then also like I want to see the channels where the cast exists, the embeds, the tags, the URL, the number of likes, the number of recasts, the number of replies. There's a bunch of more other fields that you can choose inside here, but these are like just an example right here. And once we have all the details that we need to get all the Farcaster cast that is liked by a particular user, this query is ready, and then just click run, and in a few moments, the API is going to return, there you go, a list of all the casts that is liked by user FID602. So there you go, just as easy as that, and you can plug it in directly into your application just like that. If you have any other use case, simply go to our documentations right here, and we're going to provide this link in the description below, and you can check out which of the use cases that fits what you need right here and use the query just like that. If you have any questions, then feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye.